Hey guys, what's up? Just going to do a quick demonstration on how to find the fine structure constant using the Tetragrammaton, which is God's name. And Jesus, of course, said in the book of John, I am the light of the world, which in the Greek was phos. So let's just keep that up there as reference. So we all know the Tetragrammaton is Yud, Hey, Vav, Hey. Okay? What do these look like to you? These look like a 7. Yeah. So let's do a 7 instead. So this hey kind of looks like pi. So let's do pi 7, pi to the 7th power, which is what that looks like. It looks basically the same, right? Well, let's just divide those two values. Okay, and so what do we get? 0, 0, well, of course, they're 0 point, sorry, I'm new at this, y'all, 0, 7 to 8, okay? And what is the fine structure constant? Alpha is 0.00729. Okay, this is to the 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. Once again, the Bible is correct to 4 decimal places of very universal constants. We saw Genesis 1:1 and 1 Kings 7:23. Both hide pi to 4 decimal places. This is the alpha to 4 decimal places. Other physicists are more familiar with the other way to find this, and it's here, I'll just go in this space because I do see this glare right here. So what I'm going to do is color that to no, not to go here. Okay, now I know I can't go in there. Alright, so instead of pi times 7 divided by pi to the 7th power, let's do pi to the 7th power divided by pi times 7. And then what do we get? 137. Now, of course, this is the gematria of Kabbalah in Hebrew, which is just interesting. And 137 is, there's books written about it for ages, and even Richard Feynman said physicists will be guessing as to this number, why it's the number of God and all this stuff. Well, this is why it's the number of God, Mr. Feynman. Rest in peace. Carl Jung, Paul Lee, all these people were very fascinated with this number, and we can finally tie it to the Tetragrammaton. If we just use pi, which God showed us in Genesis 1:1 and 1 Kings 7:23, instead of hey, and we use 7s instead of vav and yud, which look virtually the same, we're going to get the fine structure constant. And you can Google this all day. A year ago, I was all about that. Okay, so go on my past YouTube videos. But here I'm just kind of trying to show you how to find these codes. And it's not incredibly difficult math. You can do this on a graphing calculator. We're not using geometry and shapes like Karl Marx the code, but we can go there. You know, I don't know if I can do that on a board, but this kind of stuff is very fascinating to me, and I hope you can understand that God is hiding a code. And when Jesus said he's the light of the world, it's not only figurative, it's literal, okay? Anyway, y'all have a good one.